Clean the recovery tank. Drain the wastewater. Remove the flushing filter and rinse it thoroughly with clean water and install it in place. Remove the clean water tank filter and drain the clean water tank. Use hot water below 60 C to rinse the tank. Remove the brush guard. Clean any dirt on the brush. Then rinse the brush with water. If the brush is severely worn, it should be replaced first. Then remove the squeegee. Disconnect the vacuum hose. Wipe the squeegee blade with a towel. Or rinse it directly with water. Release the latch. If the blade is severely worn, it should be replaced. Loosen the anti-collision wheel nuts and remove the 2 anti-collision wheels. Remove the 2 locking plates from the squeegee blade. Then remove the squeegee blade. Then flip the squeegee blade upside down. Then align the holes on the squeegee blade and reinstall the blade onto the squeegee assembly. Then reinstall the 2 locking plates onto the squeegee blade. Finally, lock the latch. Align the 2 anti-rotation wheels. Tighten the screws and nuts. And reinstall them onto the squeegee assembly. The squeegee blade replacement is now complete. Then, we install the squeegee onto the machine. Wipe the machine body with a damp cloth or a multi-purpose cleaner. Avoid using high-pressure water or hoses to clean the machine to prevent damage to electronic parts. To protect the battery and ensure performance, recharge only after more than 30 minutes of use. Clean the clean water tank filter. Open the battery connector cover and check whether the terminals are loose or corroded. If so, tighten them and clean thoroughly. Check and clean the recovery tank seal. Replace if damaged. Spray dry lubricant on all pivots and rollers. Check all nuts and bolts for looseness.